Hey guys, today we'll be making really cute boutonnieres, perfect for a wedding, dance, or any type of occasion. What you will need, I have these really pretty roses, spray roses, so they're just like tiny little roses. I have some greenery, eucalyptus of course. You will also need a floral wire, floral tape, scissors, wire cutters, ribbon, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is look and see what flowers I want to use. And then don't be afraid to kind of pick things out and move it around and do it exactly how you want it to be. You are not stuck with a certain stem or anything like that. Just keep your mind open and know that you can cut flowers and stems from all over the bouquet and make it exactly the way you want it to be. So what I'm doing now is just taking some of my spray roses and greenery and just playing around with it, seeing which style or design I like best. And I like to actually put it together so that I can see, because sometimes you're surprised and what you thought you may not like, you actually like the look of it. So I always say put it together and see what it looks like. So I have picked out 2 roses. And I have 2 of my small little eucalyptus stems, and then I have some of the flat eucalyptus leaves as well. I'm just going to layer a couple of the flat leaves behind the eucalyptus stems, and I'm going to tuck my roses in the front so that they are visible. And now I'm just trying to debate on whether I want to go with 2 pieces of eucalyptus or 3. Again, I like to see what both look like and decide from there. Because I don't want it too large, but I also don't want it too small. I want it a decent size. Some people like to just use 1 large rose. You can do that if you prefer. But I wanted to go with the smaller roses so that I can add in some greenery as well, so that it ties everything together. So I've finalized the exact design I want my boutonnieres to have. So I'm taking some floral wire. I'm just going to wrap it tightly around the base of my boutonniere just to keep it nice and secure. And I'm trying to hold it in place so that it doesn't move too much. And then I'm just adjusting it and maneuvering it one more time. And once I have my floral wire in place, I'm going to take some floral tape and wrap it around the base of my boutonniere as well. Nice and tight, just to make sure everything is secure and nothing will slip out or anything like that. Alright, so once I have that first one secured, I'm going to repeat the same step. You just repeat the same steps for however many boutonnieres you will need. You can make each one slightly different, or you can make them the exact same. I'm going to just go with the same method. Again, I'm just going to pick my eucalyptus, pick my roses, and put it all together. Use the floral wire and then the floral tape and make sure it's nice and secure. Alright, so I have made 3 boutonnieres. They look so cute and precious. I'm going to add in some white satin ribbon just because I want the white to match the decor. But you could leave it with the green. That looks fine as well. I'm going to add a little hot glue. And then I'm going to just wrap the ribbon around the base of my boutonniere, just like I did with the floral wire and the floral tape. So I'm wrapping it nice and tight, making sure it's nice and smooth all the way down, and I'm just leaving the very little tip out. You could wrap it completely if you choose to do so, but I think leaving a little of the green tip is just so cute and adorable. Again, you can go with whatever color ribbon you prefer, or you can leave off the ribbon altogether. And then I just secure the end of the ribbon with more hot glue, and you are all done. So just keep in mind that magnets are an alternative to the traditional pin if you want to use that instead. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional greenery or flowers that you prefer. Or if you want to go with just 1 large rose, or if you want to go with an even smaller boutonniere, whatever you prefer. Just play around with it and see what you like best.